You think this is an eyesore? No, this is an eyesore. Now this is my summer garden that I've already picked and harvested. But this is all the mess you have to deal with. And now I've got to chop all this mess down, then retill it back up. And honestly, that's a lot of work, especially if you got kids and are always on the go. And some people just don't have time for weeding. But with container gardening, it opens up a whole lot of options. And I'll explain. See, how many people actually don't grow their own food because they don't want to keep up with watering them? I'll just go ahead and answer that for you. A lot, including my own family. And I totally get it. But with this wicking method, you literally only have to water these things maybe once a week. And that's pretty much for every plant, because I have yet to water my fruit trees. Well, at least after my first initial watering. But these containers are actually perfect for my self-wicking method, and that helps you keep everything watered without having to water them. And on top of that, I haven't had to pull a weed out of these containers yet. And even when you grow things in a raised garden bed, you still have to worry about weeds. Ori told me to tell you that he's fine with looking at it every day. So I'll take the eyesore if you just want to deal with more work.